Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over the best patio furniture on all of Amazon. You guys, I totally love this one. It's from Outsunny and it is a 4-piece set. This is ultra modern, ultra fashionable, just really a great design. You can use these pieces in any configuration you like and really mix them up, so it gives you a couple of different options. It's all gonna look great though. These chairs are really, like, you'll see that they are that very modern look, really square, deep seating, so you're gonna just be really comfortable. It's gonna be a chair that you can really sit deep down into and relax. It's got high backs. A lot of patio furniture that you'll see does not, and this just really has a higher back, so you can fully lean back, relax, all super comfortable. It's got thick armrest on it, so you're gonna be really comfortable. And not only that, it's comfortable, it looks great, it's also super durable. It's gonna be that PE wicker, much better than the old school wicker. You're not gonna have to worry about this one breaking down. It's going to last for years to come and be a beautiful piece of your backyard. It's weather resistant and it's crazy easy to clean. All you do is wipe down. You can unzip and machine wash the covers of the cushions, which is just so easy, so great. Also, there is 5 millimeters of tempered glass on your coffee table, which not only looks great, it just really elevates your style. It makes it even easier to serve drinks and, you know, a glass of wine, your snacks, whatever. You're not gonna have to worry about those toppling off. But if they do spill, it is also going to be super easy to clean because just glass, just wipe it off and you're done. This is a beautiful set. It's super modern. It is going to look so great. It really looks like a spa or a resort. And if you are trying to cultivate that vibe in your backyard, this is the set for you. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be very glad that you did.